How to add clock widget to your Samsung Galaxy home screen. So if you want to customize your Samsung Galaxy home screen with a different clock, then here is how you can do this process. But before we start the video, if you're new to this channel, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because it really helps me out. Well, so now to add the clock widget to your Samsung Galaxy home screen, you just need to press and hold any empty area from your home screen like this, and this will pop up with the different options. So what you have to do, he'll get to see the widgets option at the bottom. You just need to tap on the widgets and he'll get to see the different widgets. So the reason why we're just gonna add the clock widget, so just need to scroll down a little bit and he'll get to see the clock. You just need to tap on clock here, and inside this one you'll get to see the different style of clock that is available on your phone. So all you have is just need to select your favorite one. So let's say I'm going to select the second clock style, so I'm going to select the second one and then go and tap on add. And once you tap on add, you'll get to see the clock widgets will be added here. Now you can actually drag it to the position where exactly you want to keep the clock style, and you can drag it right there and the clock will be set it up on the same place. And this is how you actually can add the clock widgets to your Samsung Galaxy home screen. Hope you found this very helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. See you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.